Hello guys, and welcome back to another video here today at the Startup Brain TV, the platform to help you buzz up and create more wealth for yourself. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money online for beginners, absolutely free of charge, how you can actually get started with no investment whatsoever. And when I say no investment, I mean zero investment, okay? So if you're someone out there who loves the idea of making up money online, or you've heard about making money online, but you're not sure how to get started, then this video is for you. So you better grab yourself a pen and paper, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Welcome to the Startup Brain TV, where you can learn how to start and run a successful online business working from home or anywhere in the world, so you can finally live the life of freedom and fulfillment that you truly deserve. Now, this video is currently sponsored by the Income Reap Academy, an online platform that teaches you how to start an online business from scratch, working from home. So you can go there if you want to learn about starting a blog, starting affiliate marketing, starting your own ebook business, or starting any type of online business that can generate you money. So the Income Reap Academy is an online platform filled with so many different courses that teach you how to start different types of online businesses. So if you're looking into starting an online business and you're not even sure how to get started, you should definitely check out the Income Reap Academy, which comes with so many different courses to help you decide on what type of business you can start online, okay? So now we got that out of the way, let's get right into today's video. So the best way to get started online as a beginner for free, hands down, is to become an affiliate. Now, if you've never heard about affiliate marketing, it's basically a process whereby you promote other brands within your niche and they pay you a commission every time you refer someone to them. So it's really the easiest and risk-free way to get started as a beginner. It's a great way to really adapt and familiarize yourself with the online business world before you go out there to try and do things on your own. So I strongly, highly recommend that you should look into becoming an affiliate marketer. If you're out there as a beginner looking to make money online, you don't have to worry about actually creating your own products because these brands already have the products for you. You don't have to worry about customer service because you're essentially referring customers to that brand who then deals with the customer service. You don't have to worry about buying any inventory because again, the brands already have the inventory. You don't have to worry about shipping, fulfilling orders and processing orders, or even refund headaches because those brands are responsible for all the hard work already. Your job is really to go out there, promote their brand and make yourself some money, okay? And the good thing about affiliate marketing is you can promote as many products as you want indefinitely and make as much money as you want, okay? And you can actually make money passively as well, so you're not trading your time for money. Once you get your referral link, you can send it out to as many people as possible in a non-spammy way. Of course, I'm not saying go out there and start sending SMS messages to everyone on your contacts list to purchase a product because they're probably not even going to be your target market. There's different ways to make money using affiliate marketing, okay? And I'm going to be talking about how you can actually get started with affiliate marketing the right way without spamming people and actually upsetting people around your circle of friends, okay? So the first thing, of course, you want to do when you start as a beginner is to identify what type of products you want to sell. You don't want to be a jack of all trades. You don't want to go out there, today you're promoting a weight loss product, tomorrow you're promoting a toy, the day after you're promoting a hair product, the day after you're promoting women's clothing. You're just all over the place, you know, so you need to find a niche, find something you're personally passionate about. Think about the products that you use yourself. That's a great place to look into as well because you already use these products, meaning that the process of actually promoting these products will be second nature to you. So think about your niche, think about your hobbies, your passions, your interests, because if you love what you do, then it'll be very easy for you to sell those products to other people. And if you use these products yourself, it makes it even 10 times better because the products will sell for themselves. So if you're promoting a dress that you're wearing yourself, it's easier for people to buy from your link because they can tell you're using this product yourself. You're not just going out there trying to make money on products that you've never even tried yourself, okay? So the first thing is to identify your niche. So once you've identified your niche, you want to find some vendors or some merchants or some advertisers that you can promote your products. So essentially, these are going to be the companies that you will be promoting, okay? There's a lot of programs out there that you can look into. If you're looking into selling physical products, for example, you can look into the Amazon affiliate program, which basically allows you to promote every product on Amazon and earn a commission. So if you've decided you want to sell clothing, for example, then you want to go onto Amazon and search for clothing. You'll see all the different clothings that are currently being sold on Amazon, and then you can then decide what type of clothes you want to promote for those sellers. Now, there's a lot of sellers on Amazon at the moment, and Amazon is already a reputable company, which makes it easier for you to sell to other people. Let's say, for example, I purchase this top from Amazon, and then I put this top and I go somewhere and someone's asking me, where did you get your top from? I'll be like, hang on a second, I'm gonna send you the link to where I purchased this product, and I'll just send them my Amazon affiliate link to this exact same product, and this person goes out there, they purchase this product, and I make myself some money. You see how easy that was? So instead of telling people you bought this product from Amazon, you can actually just say, hang on a second, let me send you a link to the exact product that I purchased from Amazon so you can check it out. And once they go on Amazon and purchase that product, Amazon pays you a commission straight away. You see how easy that is to do? And the reason why I said it's best to go for products that you obviously use yourself, because you can then test this product and essentially make yourself some money, okay? And if you're interested in selling digital products, I'm talking software, ebooks, or any type of products that customers can purchase and download instantly online, you should look into the platform called Clickbank.com. It's the largest digital affiliate platform on the internet right now. You can actually go out there and promote different digital products, from software to online courses to ebooks. There's a lot of sellers out there that already have these products there on sale, and your job is really just to register for free and start promoting these products to people. So if you're looking into physical products, look into Amazon, and if you're looking into digital products, you can look into Clickbank.com. It's so easy to get started with Clickbank. It's free of charge again to register, and once you register, you get your own unique username, and you can use that username to pretty much promote any product in the Clickbank platform. And once you send that link to your customers and they purchase that product, you make yourself some money. And the good thing about Clickbank is you can actually earn commissions as high as 75%. So some of these products, you're actually making more money than the merchants themselves. How amazing is that? So you should definitely look into Amazon or Clickbank if you're looking for platforms to help you with your affiliate marketing process, okay? Now, I have another video where I talk about the best products to sell online in 2019. So if you're stuck for ideas on what type of products or what niches you want to start with, go check out that previous video. I'll link it somewhere in this video or in the description field down below, okay? Okay, so now we have an idea and we have some merchants, which were all free of charge, of course. The next step is to start thinking about what platforms you want to sell your affiliate products. Now, you don't want to go out there spamming everybody on your contact list saying, oh, you want to purchase this product, I've got it. Or you don't want to go on your Facebook personal page or your Instagram account spamming people, putting up different products every single day and sending out links for people to purchase these products, because no one is going to buy your products, and most of all, you're not going to make yourself any money, which defeats the whole purpose. You're just wasting your time, and it's definitely not worth it, okay? The best way to promote your affiliate products is to find yourself a platform and build yourself a reputation, build yourself a long-lasting relationship with your customers, because once your customers trust you enough, they can purchase your products from you. Now, I have a lot of videos that I create here on YouTube every single day, and I have a lot of people that come here watching my videos, and because they trust me and they resonate with me, they then go ahead to purchase the products that I promote within my platform. If I never had a YouTube channel and I was out there spamming people every single day to purchase my courses at the Run Boutique Academy, for example, people are just gonna look at me like, did I tell you I needed a course? You know, so don't go out there spamming people, telling everyone on your friends list to purchase the products, because they probably don't even need this product. So why are you bothering them? They're not gonna make you any money, and you're just wasting your time, okay? What you want to do is find a platform, sell yourself within that platform, and the best way to get started is to get a blog. You can actually get started with a blog free of charge by visiting platforms such as WordPress.com or Blogger.com. Now, when you have a blog up and running, what you want to start doing in this blog is reviewing the different products that you plan on promoting. So say, for example, you're promoting a video game, for example, then what you want to do is write a review of that product. At the end of that review, you want to refer your customers to the product. So there's people going on the internet every day looking for reviews reviews on different products. So if I went on Amazon, for example, and I wanted to purchase a toy for my child, the first thing I would do is I'll go on Google just to see how the toy works. It could be to see how to assemble the toy, for example, or to see what other parents think about this gadget, and to see if it's worth my money, especially if it's something very expensive. So if you had a blog now creating content around the specific product, then there's a high possibility that your blog will show up within Google. And when people go on your blog and read the review on the product, the in-depth specs and descriptions of the product, there's a high possibility that they will essentially purchase that product through the link within that content. So this is a great way to build a reputation and actually attract customers who are willing to pay for this product rather than going out there to spam people. Okay, having a product review blog is a great way to promote your affiliate products. Another platform to promote your affiliate products, of course, as I've previously talked about, using myself as an example, is on YouTube. There's actually a kid, I can't remember his name, but I'll link it somewhere, that has a YouTube channel with millions and millions of subscribers. What this kid basically does is he does like reviews on different toys that he's purchased for himself, and he creates all these short videos showing other kids how he uses his toys. And this YouTube channel has actually attracted millions of subscribers, okay? Because parents are going out there looking at this kid, looking at how he uses his products and using that as inspiration to purchase his products for their kids. So you can actually create yourself a YouTube video review channel. So it definitely helps if you can purchase these products yourself, so you can actually create these videos and show people what these products look like in real life. And then in the description field, you can then put your Amazon referral link, essentially referring all these viewers back to the Amazon website, okay? So having a video review page on YouTube is a great way to build yourself an authority in your niche and make yourself some sales, because you're attracting people who are out there looking for information on those products that you're promoting, which means they're likely to purchase through your link and make you some money. Another platform you can promote your products is through your Facebook business page. I have another video that I created recently where I talk about how to create a Facebook shop page. I'm going to link it somewhere on this page. But the thing about selling on Facebook, of course, is it's always a good idea to have another platform out with Facebook where you sell your products. Okay, so again, which takes us back to step 1 and step 2, look into YouTube and look into actually starting a blog. And once you have this platforms in place, you can then direct all your Facebook fans to go to these pages and purchase your products. Okay, so as you can see, you came up with an idea, you identified the niche, came up with a product idea, and then we went ahead to find ourselves a merchant or a vendor or a supplier to promote their products. We then looked into getting yourself a blog up and running using WordPress.com or Blogger.com, or you could also look into starting a YouTube channel where you specifically review the different products that you sell. And all of this has been absolutely free of charge, and you already have yourself an online business up and running. So this is the easiest way to get started as a beginner for free, okay? So go out there, find out what products you want to start, head over to Amazon or Clickbank and see if there's actually products within your niche that you can promote. Get yourself registered for free, get yourself your own referral links to this product, head over to WordPress.com or Blogger.com and open yourself a free blog where you can start reviewing and promoting your links. Or you can also open a YouTube channel absolutely free of charge where you pretty much create video reviews of this products. Again, it's free of charge. You can use your phone to record this product reviews. You don't need to go buy yourself a fancy camera to get started, okay? I believe if you're watching this video right now, you have a phone, okay? You have some sort of smartphone, right? And of course, finally, you can rinse and repeat the strategy. You can try this with different products, okay? You can do this for as many products as you please. And that's a good thing about affiliate marketing. You're not restricted, okay? So if one product isn't working, you can try another product, rinse and repeat the process over and over again. There's room out there for you to win, okay? So again, there's a lot more that comes with getting started as a beginner. You need to make sure you're promoting your blog, you're promoting your YouTube channel to appeal to the right audience, okay? So you can use strategies such as search engine optimization, which is my #1 tool. This is something that has helped me, something that is still helping me, where you basically go out there and research on the keywords that people are searching for around your products. So say, for example, you're promoting waist trainers, for example, and someone has gone on Google searching for information on where to buy waist trainers, and you have an article on your blog that talks about waist trainers and where to buy waist trainers or how to use waist trainers. And then within your blog, of course, there's a link to your Amazon affiliate website. There's a high possibility that when they read your content, they will end up on your affiliate website purchasing those waist trainers from Amazon and essentially making you some money. See how easy that was? There's a lot of product review blogs out there and product review YouTube channels making a lot of money. Okay, so you should definitely look into that. If you are a beginner out there just getting started online, this is a great and powerful way to start making yourself money online for free. The options are unlimited and the income, of course, is unlimited. It's really down to how you promote yourself and how you market your business. Okay, now if you want to find out more in depth on how to get started as a Clickbank affiliate or an Amazon affiliate, you should definitely check out the Income Reap Academy, which goes even more in depth and teaches you step by step how to get started within those platforms. Okay, so if you're looking into building a long-term sustainable business, then you should definitely look into taking on courses that can actually help you with the different aspects of it. Of course, this is just an overview on how to get started. There's a lot more involved in the process, so I highly recommend you check out the Income Reap Academy if you want to take your business to the next level. Okay, I'll leave a link below this video. So thank you guys once again for watching this video. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my weekly Make Money Online videos when they do come out. And most of all, hit that bell notification button, because that's the only way you would know each time I release a new video. Okay, so thank you once again for stopping by and watching this video, and I look forward to catching up with you guys next week for another video. Bye for now.